Welcome to the Trox News Network. I'm your host, Beau Troxclair, coming to you from sunny Manhattan instead of the normal studio because I got my vaccine yesterday and now I trust banks. Our top story tonight, McAfee gets Epstien'd. John McAfee, millionaire founder of McAfee Antivirus, was found dead in his Spanish prison cell awaiting extradition to the United States to face trial for tax fraud charges. Mr. McAfee had recently tweeted that he was comfortable and healthy in his prison cell and that if he turned up dead, then it wasn't by his own hand. This could be seen as evidence of a deep state plot to silence McAfee or as one final act of self-promotion. Either way, his death remains a mystery. Mr. McAfee had become a huge advocate and promoter of cryptocurrency near the end of his life. In 2017, he famously bet that the price of Bitcoin would hit $100,000 in 2020 or else he would, quote, eat his own dick, end quote. No cause of death was given in the reports of Mr. McAfee's untimely demise, so it's unclear if this alleged suicide was merely an attempt to make good on his bet that went horribly, horribly awry. Next, and on the subject of price predictions, last weekend technical price analysts were devastated when the Bitcoin chart formed the infamous death cross when the 50-day moving average briefly passed below the 200-day moving average, theoretically signaling that the price of Bitcoin had already declined. Thanks, technical analysts. Experts are split over whether or not this means the price of Bitcoin will continue this downtrend, begging the question, what are technical analysts fucking good for anyway? In other news, China continued its crackdown on Bitcoin mining this week, likely contributing to the price decline. As miners are forced out of business or to relocate, they're selling their Bitcoin to finance moves to different locations or into different industries, putting downward pressure on the price. During this period of renewed government focus on mining farms, the Bitcoin hash rate has precipitously fallen to slightly more than half its peak hash rate. This is starting to raise serious questions about the security of the blockchain and whether or not this could be seen as an attack on the Bitcoin network by the Chinese government. That's all the news for this week. If you want to see more crypto news, analysis, reviews, and tutorials, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below with your opinion on whether or not John McAfee killed himself to enter our channel giveaway for a chance to win Bitcoin, hardware wallets, and much more. I'm Beau Troxclair, and this has been the Trox News Crypto Special Report. Play us out, John.
Know a lot about Bitcoin.
Yes.
It sounds like you, John McAfee, want to eat your own.
Eating my is not something that is difficult. For me eating it, I have no interest in doing that.
So it isn't that you, John McAfee, want to eat your own. It's that you believe in the power of Bitcoin, so much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow. If Bitcoin does not.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million by the end of 2020.
What if, God forbid, you get prostate cancer, have to remove your anyway?
Well, I won't be able to eat it, will I?
Well, you can have the surgeon put it aside and then you can eat it, but
well,
either way.
I don't think people would expect me to eat a 2-year-old dead I'm sorry.
If John McAfee is to eat a
Yes.
It's going to be the freshest
and
right
eat it
away.
raw like I eat sushi.
Farm to table to mouth.
Farm to table to mouth.